One of the things that I absolutely love about living here in Lyon are the amount of parks and recreational things for kids to do here in the city. They're like every few blocks there's a park. So one of the things that I wanted to mention that I thought was really cool, but it's not like they don't exist in the States, but it's definitely present. I feel it at every park, is the element of climbing. Now, I was in a music video way long time ago. It was a Brittany Murphy music video. It was called Faster Kill Pussycat. I was one of the dancers in and amongst the sea of crowd while she's performing, and they had parkour performers in this music video. Now, the performers in this music video were super good, and they were jumping from like building to building in downtown LA. Now, as I'm here in France, it just reminds me of that kind of parkour feel and that element of climbing that they've kind of included or incorporated into the apparatus that you see at different parks. Behind me is a park, and you can see the apparatus, which obviously is for climbing. And I'm not saying that they don't have this in the United States, because they absolutely do, but it's definitely something that I feel is incorporated more often in some of the different park elements here in France. And I'm so excited because it has really kind of inspired my daughter to do a lot more climbing. And you'll even notice on some of these walls on the side of the river, there are measurements. So you'll see it starts at the bottom of the stairs and then it goes gradually up. Now, I'm used to feet, miles, inches, right? But in France, we're in like centimeters and millimeters and kilometers, right? So this is what you'll see on some of the sides of the river walk area. And I think it's absolutely fantastic when I see kids just like climbing the walls. Like, for me as a parent, I'm just like, yeah, get that energy out. Leave a comment if you've ever seen some of the things that I've talked about as far as like parkour, or even been here in France. I would love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe, join the membership, because it's super cool, super fun, at College of Style right here on YouTube, and I'll see you in the next video.